this is Janet with Try It Like It Created, and today we're going to be making a travel valet. And so what I have here in front of me is kind of a meshy plastic placemat that I got at the Dollar Tree. And you're going to cut it down to whatever size you want. And then what we're going to do is we're going to place some snaps in the corners using this snap kit from Gwen Studios. So what you want to do is fold, after you've done your cutting, you're going to fold your corner and decide where this snap piece looks good and that you have enough space around it. And then once you've done that, you want to push it through so that you've got a mark on the other side. Now we're not going to leave it like this. We're going to take the back side off, okay? And you can see where that hole is. And while you can still see where that hole is, you're going to take another one that in this case is a star shape, and you're going to place it right into that hole. All right. So there we are. Just want to double check, and you can count also. You're down 3 lines from there, and I am down 3 lines from there. So those should then line up like so. And you can see that they do meet in the middle. And so now we're ready to put our snaps on. So we're going to take one side, and then there's 2 different pieces that you need here. So you can see that this one is the open, and this one is the piece that fits into it like so to snap. Okay, so you're going to put each one in place. And then we're going to use our punch to make it collapse in place. So you're going to line it up like so and give it a really good squeeze. And then you can see here the difference between the centers. You've got this one that has been collapsed to hold that in place, and this one is still pointy. So now we have to do it on this side here. And squeeze tight. And you can see that that one is collapsed too. Now this first one I didn't collapse quite as much, so I'm going to go back in and just give it a better squeeze. All right, and so there we go. You can see that they're both in there, and now this makes our first corner like so, and we're going to do the same to all 4 corners. So this is it finished. It is really nice for traveling because it will travel flat in your suitcase. But then once you get to your location, if you snap these together, you will now have a nice little tray that you can put your change in, your wallet, keys, whatever. You could put it on your dresser. You can also then use it in the bathroom if you want to hold anything. Because it's plastic, you can also, use it to run water through. So it makes for a nice little handy thing to hold any of your pieces. I use mine in my craft room, obviously, to hold different supplies that I'm using. And then when I don't need the basket, I can fold it up flat, and there it goes. It stores easily. So hopefully you enjoy this project, and it would make a great Father's Day gift, or a gift for anyone who travels, or really anybody who needed something to store, or a quick basket. But it's really cute, and very inexpensive to make, so hopefully you enjoyed this.